Hey friends, if you encounter the laptop screen flickering problem, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So before anything else, right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the display tab, select display. Now there are two options here. One is for scale and one is for display resolution. Make sure both of these are selected at the recommended value, whatever is mentioned recommended in front of it. Now once this is sorted out, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display drivers. Right click on the first one and then update the drivers. Right click on the second one and then update the drivers. Now once this is sorted, you can check for hardware related issues. Is the cable connected properly, or you can check about the display card. Okay, so you will need a hardware technician for it since it's a laptop. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.